Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Wanted to show you this brand new 2019 G23 from Nautique. A few different changes for 2019. Probably one of the biggest ones is the new power tower. So this is a new power tower that they have. A little bit different design here. The bimini is a little bit different as well, but this is going to be powered. And it's actually going to go backward. Sit right back down in here, so when you're driving, the tower is going to go back. You have to go under bridges or put it under your lift, whatever. Also, one other big change was a design change in the frameless windshield. So the windshield itself doesn't come all the way down to here, and then they added some cool little vents that go in here and on both sides. So just some cool design changes. Few new colors for 2019. This is a brand new 19 G23, loaded with everything. So come on down to Rogers, take a look, ask for Josh. Love to show you this.